TerraMow V1000 robot lawnmower. Try AI Vison technology without wire/RTK/signal issues. Auto mapping, max 0.3 acres, vision navigation, AI obstacles avoidance. 100% hands-free for complex garden mow. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the product link on Amazon. Thank you. Classic Amazon https://amazon.com/4UISRS7. Bestseller, $1 $399.00. Brand TerraMow. Power source DC. Color gray. Style up to 1,200 square meters. Item weight 26 pounds. Cutting width 7.99 inches. Operation mode automatic. Product dimensions 23.7-inch x 15.5 x 13H. Smart home compatibility. Smart home compatible. Number of items 1. About this item. 100% hands-free, thanks to TerraVision 2.0 triple camera AI vision technology, automotive AI navigation. Percent, powered by TerraVision 2.0 triple camera AI vision technology. The V1000 robotic mower detects and avoids over 99% obstacles, including trees, furniture, pools, pets, and small wildlife to ensure safe, smooth, and complex garden mowing. Intelligent area detection of TerraVision 2.0 trip camera AI vision technology provides full coverage. You also can adjust edge cutting distances for precise trimming right up to the edge. And control the robotic mower via the app. Create custom mowing zones, set no-go areas, adjust cutting height 0.98 inches to 2.95 inches, /speed. And manage up to 20 mowing zones and 3 independent maps with optimized paths and auto-resume after charging. Pet-friendly, 54 dB, IPX6 weatherproof, theft-proof with GPS plus 4G tracking and remote camera.